Hello and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find a mix of lifestyle, DIY, home decor, and home makeover content. I'm always creating, so hopefully you can grab some tips or find something in the videos that will help inspire you to create or find your own design style. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for stopping by House of AB Design and enjoy. In this video, you'll see how I transformed this dated 1970s powder room into a more modern space. To begin, I painted the vanity black and primed the walls with 2 coats of Zinsser primer. I also removed the sliding doors to reveal the interior of the closet that you see here. I was on a budget, so I decided to paint the paneling instead of removing it completely and replacing it with drywall. Here I'm painting the walls with Sherwin Williams color called Ponder. I really like this color. It's a soft neutral with varying tones of gray. Sometimes I look at it and I get hues of light purple, and sometimes I get a soft gray. It all depends on how the light hits it. And here's the completed wall with just 1 coat of paint. I waited until it dried and then I touched up areas that I missed. Next, I began tackling the interior of the closet. I removed the shelves and primed the areas that had never been painted. And here's the interior of the closet with just 1 coat of black paint. After a 2nd coat of paint, I then replaced the shelves and framed the closet space with 1x2 furring strips with a brad nailer. I also attached 2 1x2 furring strips horizontally on each shelf for added aesthetic. Here I'm staining the furring strips in place with Minwax stain in a color called Mocha. While I know I should have stained the strips before adhering them, I got lazy and I decided to stain them in place. And here's the open closet after 2 coats of polyurethane and a satin finish. I added gold hardware to the black vanity and painted an old dresser mirror that I had black with gold trim. I also scouted my home for other decorative items. And here's the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good. And I was very excited that I didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money in order to get the look that I wanted. So much for that 1970s powder room.